afternoon. It's Michael McKillican from Sutton, West Coast, Nanaimo. My phone number is 250-756-2112, or my cell phone is 250-616-0998. I've been doing real estate since 2006, February. Just to give a little bit of a market update, Vireb statistics come out. Vancouver Island Real Estate Board once a month gives out an archive on the previous month's sales, and then it compares it to the last 2 or 3 years. So in Nanaimo, on average home sales or units sold, it's up 10% on the average home, meaning that the value has gone up from March 2017 was $502,000. March 2018, the average home is $551,392, which is substantial. So that's a 10% change from last year's March 2017 to 2018 current. The number of home units have decreased. In my opinion, is because of the supply. There's less supply, so there's less homes sold, but that's just Michael McKillican's opinion on it. March 2017, 152 homes sold. That was last year, same time. This time last year, or this year, sorry, 101 homes sold. So there's a negative 34% units sold this year versus last year, and I think that has to do with several different things. Lending rates, qualifications, BC property transfer tax on foreign buyers is up to 20% in Nanaimo and Victoria, which is going to have an impact in my opinion. But most of all, it's supply and demand. The buyers are still coming in. Most homes in the average home price are going multiple. So under $600,000, if it has a suite in it or any kind of intrinsic value at all, and sharply priced, it goes into multiple offers, 3, 4, 5, 6 offers at any given time. People are listing their homes on a Monday, not taking offers until the following Sunday. A lot of that kind of stuff going on. So if you'd like any other information or an evaluation on your home, please give me a call at 250-616-0998. Again, it's Michael McKillican. My partner is Michael GUAN. Same phone numbers, same contacts. Thank you very much.